Looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine.
Welcome to the Poole Locke YouTube channel. I'm James Locke. Today we're going to answer some Ask James questions of the day. And our first question is from Benjamin. It says, I really don't have much of an estate. So do I even need an estate plan? All right, Benjamin, that is a common misconception. Right? That misconception is that estate planning is only for the wealthy. The truth is, everyone who owns any assets, whether it's a car, a house, personal belongings, has an estate. Now, estate planning is not just about avoiding estate taxes, especially given the current federal exemption levels of over $12 million per individual, 24, per couple. Like, most people won't be affected by federal estate taxes due to those high thresholds. However, the real question is not about taxes, but about control and ensuring your wishes are carried out after you're gone. If you pass away without a will or any estate planning documents, your estate will determine how your assets are distributed. And this is called dying intestate. And each state has their own laws governing this process. And these laws may distribute your assets in a way that doesn't align with your intentions or goals. So that's why having an estate plan is really crucial regardless of the size of your estate. It allows you to specify exactly how you want your assets distributed. It really ensures your wishes are honored. Now, whether you have a specific family heirlooms you want to pass down or you want to provide for loved ones who are dependent on you, an estate plan gives you the control to make these decisions. Moreover, estate planning isn't just about what happens after you pass away. It also includes documents like a power of attorney and a healthcare directive that designates someone to make financial and medical decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. Now, these are critical aspects of planning for your future and ensuring that your affairs are handled according to your wishes. So, even if you don't consider yourself wealthy, or if you think your estate is modest, having an estate plan is essential for peace of mind and for ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of in the way you intended. Right? And there's a lot of different pieces of estate planning that I do deeper dives in when the questions come up, and you can check out our YouTube history for that. Right? So thanks for the awesome question. And if you would like to send in a question, any question, or about your estate plan, you can do so by emailing them to poollocke@poollocke.com. So moving on. Our second question today, and this is from George. Now, George wants to know, what's the difference between a will and a living will, and is a living will a good option? All right, George, understanding the difference between a will and a living will is crucial when planning for your future, especially in retirement. So let's break it down. A will, also known as a last will and testament, is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to, and property to be distributed after you pass away. It addresses important decisions such as who will inherit your belongings, who will be the guardian of any minor children, and who will manage the administration of your estate. On the other hand, a living will, which is also referred to as an advance directive or healthcare directive, focuses on your healthcare preferences in case you become incapacitated and unable to communicate your wishes. It specifically addresses medical treatments and life-sustaining interventions. For instance, in a living will, you can state whether you want to be kept on life support, under what conditions, and for how long. You can also specify your preferences regarding artificial nutrition and other medical interventions. So having a living will is highly recommended because it prevents potential conflicts and confusion among your loved ones during difficult times. It provides clarity and ensures that your wishes are respected and followed. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your family won't have to make agonizing decisions on your behalf without clear guidance from you. Additionally, when you create a living will, you typically appoint a healthcare agent or proxy. This person is authorized to make healthcare decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so yourself. It's crucial to choose someone you trust implicitly, to carry out your wishes according to your living will. So, to wrap it up, to answer your question, yes, a living will is a good option for anyone who wants to have a say in their medical care and relieve their loved ones of the burden of making tough decisions without guidance. It complements a traditional will by addressing critical healthcare matters, ensuring that your desires are known and honored. And again, we explore many aspects and different pieces of estate planning and retirement preparedness throughout our various YouTube questions. All right, great questions today about estate planning. If you'd like to send in your question, you can do so. You can email them to poollocke@poollocke.com. And if you like what you heard, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. I'm James Locke, your retirement income source. I'll see everyone next time.
Money on my mind, looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine. Retirement is near, don't you live in fear. Listen up, my friend.